Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. But today the star is Guillaume de Seynes from Hermès, family Hermès. Guillaume, a very warm welcome to our show on YouTube.
Thank you, Alexander. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
Guillaume, Hermès is becoming a dramatic success in terms of watchmaking. I have just recently been reading your turnover, 600 million euro. When I was seeing this figure, I said, wow, this is incredible. What's your plans? 1 billion, 2 billions, where are you heading to? It's just incredible.
Well, it's true that we have had 2 strong years, especially 2023 with a growth rate of 23% for watches, even better than the average growth of Hermès, which was 21%. It's of course a fantastic result, and I would like to congratulate all the team behind this success.
Yeah, you have to.
I think it's the result of the strategy we have put in place a few years ago about, of course, mixing, always trying to blend the best know-how in watchmaking, Swiss, and our idea of creativity, or freedom of creation, and the originality that we try to put in everything. It's been very encouraging, this result, I must say.
It's far, far away from what normally fashion brands do. They use the watch to just print the logo on the wrist and to display it. You are really a watchmaker. You have everything. We have videos. Guys, if you haven't seen these videos, go on our channel, YouTube, WatchAdvisor. You will discover reportages about how they do their dials, their cases, etc., even movements, everything. You have been integrating everything, and this is also part of your success, meaning that you're not only presenting a design, but you're fitting it completely with 100% watchmaking.
True. You know, when my uncle created the Hermès watch company, it was in Switzerland 45 years ago. And we've been extremely dedicated since that date to grow our expertise, to grow and to integrate some key components, as we have done in a lot of activities at Hermès, like silk or leather, of course. So we've bought our case supplier, we've bought our dial supplier, we have 25% share in Vaucher movement manufacturer. And we strongly believe, of course, in the Swiss made. We are very active in maintaining and trying to help maintain the Swiss made and capacity in Switzerland.
You have a new product this year called Cut.
True.
If you're watching this video, please be sure to also watch a video about Cut. What will Cut be in the future? It is just started as an extremely beautiful, and the first results in terms of the first comments we have been reading are exciting. People like the watch, and many have asked, can I wear it as a man? So also others said, will it be bigger in the future? Maybe are you going to transform the design to become bigger, to become also a man's watch? What is the next?
The idea, and this is new for us, is really to launch a specific line, mostly feminine, but mechanical at the same time, which is the first time that we have the combination of the 2 characteristics. We have a lot of course, ladies' watch, but mostly with quartz. It's also the idea of having a sporty style. It seems simple, but it's in fact a very sophisticated case. And of course, always the creativity we have on the dial with the specific numbers. So for us, it's an important step. We have been able to manufacture it, and it's already selling in the stores as we speak. So
it is already in the store?
Absolutely. For us, it's a premiere a little bit.
Excellent.
So we are confident in the potential of that line. But to answer your question, so far, no, it's not going to be a general line with a larger size. We have really the idea of having it as a feminine line.
So those who have been asking that question got the answer from Monsieur Guillaume de Seynes himself. So I didn't dare to answer the comment yet, but now we know. Beside of this, I have been discovering the next step you're going, tourbillon and also minute repeater. This is something I was almost speechless when I saw this watch for the first time. Can you already be sure that you have clients who buy such watches? Do you already have those collectors?
We have them.
This is incredible, really.
Very clearly, we have them. The idea when we propose a complication is always that how we did it for the moon phase or for the second time zone with Le Temps Voyageur, is try to always be creative in the aesthetic of the piece and to be a bit different. Of course, we need to be extremely serious about the technicality, but also to give a different look. So we have the amateurs, we have the connoisseurs, more and more. Since the first complication, which was suspended time,
I remember.
More than 12 years ago.
Incredible, yeah.
I think more and more men are looking at what we are proposing, and we sell those pieces. There is a lot of interest for that.
I'm really speechless because the watch, first of all, is wow. It's really wow. The sound is wow. And then I said to myself, who's the buyer? But apparently you have them. And
yeah, absolutely.
And then the next step is 600 million, then 700, 800. How long do you think it will take that you are surpassing 1 billion?
I won't make a projection, but
I think it will happen, and I don't dare to say this to many. I wouldn't dare to say this, but I think it will happen someday. As successful as you are,
I think we have a clear strategy, and with the strengths of the brand, we are confident in still growing in the future, absolutely.
With all the things you have been able to do so far, is there anything you have in mind where you say, we have a little bit of a lack, we should also try to get in that segment, or to also have an offer for our clients? Is something missing? What about a really tough, rough sport watch? A diver or a chronograph or something like this?
I think, we have to be coherent with what Hermès is. So Hermès is not about super technicality in terms of performance. It's always linked, and the brand is like this, is always linked with an easy elegance and an everyday elegance. So I think that also reflects in the watches. We have a lot of projects, but more in the continuity of what we have already done in the last 10 years.
So the kind of luxury we are used to see when you know the brand Hermès.
Absolutely.
So no side steps to be in competition with, let's say, manufacturers who are very much into diving watches or chronographs.
Not especially.
No. Okay, that's good to know. Guillaume, I have to say congrats.
Thank you.
Really also to your teams. It's really amazing what you're doing. And guys, if you're still thinking that Hermès is just printing logos on a dial, wrong. Go on our site, check out what they're doing. They are amazing. And 600 million turnover after just some years is, that's the proof, I would say.
Thank you, Alexander.
Guillaume, thank you very much for being here.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah, guys, discover Hermès on the internet with us. And once again, thank you very much. Bye-bye, guys, from Hermès Watches and Wonders 2024. Bye-bye.